Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking things out here at WXYZ.com. Yes, the snow has been pesky and bothersome, especially here late this evening, but it snows ends overnight. Otherwise, we'll be mostly cloudy. We'll get down to 29 for a low. That is obviously below the freezing mark. I think a lot of spots, though, the moisture is off the roads before it's really a problem. So watch yourself. Just be smart. I guess it's still winter driving rules, even though we're well into spring, but slow down. You'll be all right in the morning on Tuesday. Lows between about 26 and 29. And we'll get some decent sunshine throughout the day. We'll call it partly sunny, but it's enough to get us back to the mid-40s, 47 in Detroit. That's not where we're supposed to be, but that is an increase from Monday, a little warmer, and then we continue to warm up. But we also continue to get wetter. Here's Wednesday morning, early in the day. There could be a little action going through here, maybe a few snowflakes, but mostly rain. Thursday morning, that's rain. That moves by. That's the start of the bigger, warmer surge. And then look what happens for the weekend. Friday rain, Saturday rain, Sunday rain, but we do warm up and we kind of keep it decent that way. So 47 partly sunny Tuesday, 53 on Wednesday, 60s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, with Saturday being the warmest. And then when it starts to fall off, Sunday's still wet over the weekend, but even low 50s will feel decent on Monday compared to where we've been with so many spots in the upper 30s and lower 40s. So warm up's coming, but grab your umbrella as well.